Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting this video very nice and close because I just want to get started. I want to make this video quick because it's very simple and I don't even know why I didn't film this video before, because today I'm going to be using one of my favorite mascaras, and you guys can already tell by the title, it's the Milk Makeup KUSH mascara. I have used it before in my videos, but I've never really made a video just to talk about this mascara. I'm going to start by curling my eyelashes, and I just wanted to film this video so you guys can see. Hold on, I can't talk while I do this. So you guys can see the difference. Yes, my eyelashes are already pretty long, but not every mascara I try gives me the same amazing results as this one. When I curl my lashes, I like to go like this so they can be nice and curled. But yeah, like I said, not all mascaras keep my eyelashes like this. For some, once I apply the mascara, my eyelashes start falling down right away. So let me show you the brush. And I love that they just came out with a waterproof KUSH mascara because I've been wearing the other one a lot, but this one is waterproof. So this is the little brush. It's a tapered brush and the bristles are like crisscross, so they really coat like every eyelash from the root to the tip. Here we go. You guys are gonna see the magic. I like to go like this, making sure I get the roots, and then I twist the brush up like this. So I just keep adding the mascara like this, and I also like to wiggle the brush. I just like to go like this just to make sure it gets every little hair, and I'm already loving the results. And every time I only put mascara on my eyelashes, like no fake eyelashes, I like to like really coat them with mascara without making them look clumpy and then later on having no fallout. So this mascara is perfect for that. And then I also go on the very tips. I like to go like this. And this really gives your eyelashes like more volume and makes them look longer. And before they dry completely, I like to take my tweezers, and sometimes the hairs that are together, I like to separate them, which is not a lot. Now you guys can leave it like that with just one layer, but I like to add 2 layers. And for the second one, I like to go like this and then leave it like that and wiggle the eyelashes like this and kind of like pretty much curl them again. Well, not curl them again because they're already pretty curled, but I don't know, I just like pushing them up like this, kind of like where the roots, from the roots of the eyelashes, and I just go like this. So the second layer, I don't really add a lot of mascara. It's definitely long lasting and gives you volume. It leaves your eyelashes curled. It's vegan and cruelty free. And there you go. And then it does, I don't know if you guys can see, but it barely has any fallout right here. Just like a few of them. But I mean, look at that. Oh, look at that. And I don't know if I already mentioned it. This is crazy every time I look at the screen, like the difference. But this one is $24, and I say it's worth every penny, especially if you don't like to put fake eyelashes and all you put is mascara. This one, you are going to love it, and it's waterproof. If you put mascara on your lower lashes, you won't end up with black down here or on your eyelid, or like mine, they touch right here, and sometimes with other mascaras that are not waterproof, or that are waterproof but they don't really work, I end up with black right here. Oh, and they also have a mini KUSH mascara for $12. It's a smaller one. Here's the before and after. To me, this mascara is incredible. Like, wow, this mascara is amazing. And that's the reason why I wanted to make this whole video just talking about this mascara. I've talked about this on my Instagram stories, on my other videos, but never really like made a whole video just for this. So I hope you guys like this video. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this mascara. Would you guys buy it for $24? I will put the link in the description box below in case you guys do want to buy it. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. I just really love this mascara. For today's video, I want to give a shout out to Life of Jen, Miss Binge, Makeup by Cess. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and for your support. I love you so much. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, and let me know in the comments below that you want a shout out. And if you are new, please hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments below that you are new, and I'll give you a shout out in my next English video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!